Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Top Girl app. To begin, download the Top Girl app from your device's App Store, which is available on both iOS and Android platforms. Once installed, create your personal account using either your email address or by linking a social media profile. Finally, complete your user profile with essential details like your interests and a profile picture to personalize your experience and connect with others more effectively. Navigating the Top Girl app is straightforward. You will find the main navigation bar typically located at the bottom of your screen, offering quick access to 4 or 5 key sections. Explore these sections to discover various types of content and user profiles. Utilize the search and filter options to narrow down your interests, helping you find exactly what you are looking for within seconds and connect with relevant communities. Creating your own content on Top Girl is a fantastic way to express yourself. Simply tap the plus icon, usually found at the center of your navigation bar, to access the creation tools. You can upload photos, short videos up to 60 seconds long, or written posts. Remember to use relevant tags and descriptions to ensure your content reaches the right audience and gains maximum visibility. To truly maximize your Top Girl experience, actively engage with the vibrant community. Like, comment on, and share posts that resonate with you, fostering genuine connections. Customize your notification settings to receive updates only on topics and users you care about, avoiding unnecessary alerts. Consider exploring premium features, which might offer exclusive content or advanced analytics for a more enriched and tailored journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.